How do I determine if my system is Windows 10 using the command line? I'm working with Install-Anywhere, an old program for creating installers. I would like to install a particular file, only in case of Windows XP and Windows Vista. Due to Install-Anywhere limitations, this is not possible. I can only decide to delete the file once it has already been installed, based on a rule. Within that rule, I can check for the platform on which I'm running, which gives me the possibility to check for Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, etc., but not for Windows 10. I can't say perform this action when the system is not XP or Vista, so I need to say perform this action on all those platforms, which are not XP or Vista. However, I can launch command line commands and catch the result. So here's my question. Is there a command which I can use for determining if I'm working on a Windows 10 system?
Is there a command to determine if I'm working on a Windows 10 system? You can use make. The following command will return the Windows version. Example output. If you want a little more information, you can use the following batch file, getos.send, which will retrieve and display. Operating system version. Service Pack Major version. Architecture, 64 or 32-bit. The OS version is stored in %_OS, Service Pack Major version is stored in %_SB%, and the architecture is stored in %_bits%. Notes. Not completely tested as I don't have all the OS and Service Pack combinations to test it with. The for command retrieves only the third part, token, of the OS. This will work for the desktop versions. If you want to distinguish Server 2008 from other versions, you will need to find another solution. %_OS will be set to one of the following values: Server, Vista, 7, 8, 8.1, or 10. Example output. Further reading. An A to Z index of the Windows ND command line, an excellent reference for all things Windows command line related. Find str, search for strings, Windows ND, ss64.com. For /f loop through command output, Windows ND, ss64.com. If, conditionally perform command, Windows ND, ss64.com. WIC, Windows Management, Windows ND, ss64.com.
I can't believe this long and no var command. It works in redirects, so you can do. But you should normally write for this and all future versions, so you're better off enumerating through the previous ones.
System info gives many useful infos like operating system, system type, 32/64 bit, and so on.
I don't have any experience with Install Anywhere, but there are two options to see what OS is installed using a command line. Using CMD. Using the command systeminfo.exe, you can see result of under the field OS name. This may give you more information than you require. More information on this command can be found in Microsoft TechNet. PowerShell. Alternatively, you could use the following PowerShell script, which will return the exact information you want.
훌륭한 제라고 플러스입니다. Please configure the slide window.